The Tesla Model SE is Tesla CEO Elon Musk's favorite vehicle in the lineup. If that doesn't entice you, are you still driving gas-powered trucks, or are you in the market for a new electric truck? The Cybertruck may look futuristic, like something out of a science fiction film, but it's also a profitable product that the EV market has been waiting for a while. Let's see if the Cybertruck will change the course of events for Tesla stocks. In a 2019 reveal, Musk unveiled the Cybertruck, a vehicle with allegedly unbreakable armor glass windows that was cracked by the developer. The Cybertruck launch will give Tesla, an EV competitor in one of the most fortunate segments of the US market and a rival to electric pickups from the taste of Ford Motor Company and Rivian Automotive, which has established models in still limited numbers in January. Musk cited deficiencies in sourcing elements as the cause for forcing the launch of the Cybertruck in 2023. Free in May, the firm has rescheduled production timing 3 times since late 2021 to late 2022, early 2023, and most likely to the mid-2023 mark for initial production. Orders for Tesla's Cybertruck are being accepted in the East beyond North America. Musk disclosed that the company had received more orders for its previous Cybertrucks than it could fill for 3 years following the start of production. Manufacturers frequently ramp up production gradually for a brand new vehicle such as the Cybertruck. Additionally, detractors have cautioned that a waning global trend may start to affect Tesla sales, since the company has so far been able to trade in every vehicle it produces. Musk predicted that the impending recession would run until the spring of 2024, according to the iDre Group. The Italian company manufacturing the Gigapress has announced that it will use die casting parts for the Cybertruck. The company stated in a post that its 9,000-ton truck part production equipment was loaded and prepared for delivery. However, the post did not name Tesla. The Gigapress has been used by Tesla to reduce the cost and complexity of producing its Model Y, and the electric vehicle manufacturer thought. Tesla's shares are rising since it revealed their selection of Cybertrucks. Despite ending the session in the negative, traders are speculating that the rally may reach even greater heights. Tesla has risen 74 over the last 6 months, entering positive territory for the year and approaching all-time highs not seen since last December. The market is projecting that Tesla shares will move by roughly 3.7% between now and the close. Optimized advisors, according to President Michael Call, that represents a large higher range than the company has seen in the prior several trading days. Of those, 10,500 traded at an average price of almost $5. It is evident that people who purchase such calls are wagering that the stock will climb beyond the 360 USD strike price by at least the 5 they paid. However, the allure of a novel product with options goes beyond mere mystery. Traders, there's a reason why the craze for this specific new car could be justified among other possibilities. When investors and supporters of Elon Musk's car company consider what may light-duty truck sales seem to be the only area that may be higher or lower for prop Tesla shares, and it's evident that this is the most profitable sector of the U.S. auto industry. My name is CR Decals. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has made a number of promises recently, such as building the much anticipated Cybertruck and replacing Twitter's top executive. Investors will probably have to wait until Musk can reveal his strategy to boost sales for the electric vehicle manufacturer, Tesla Bolt. Black believes that Tesla will make Cybertruck deliveries in late 2023 and estimates 10,000 truck deliveries as part of his overall 1.9 million delivery estimate for 2023. Tesla shares were up about 2 per after years of waiting. Musk has stated that the Cybertruck production could finally be ready, and after years of production at the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas, production will start in June. The chief vehicle designer, Franz von Holzhausen, has just revealed some features of the Cybertruck and promises big surprises. In response to a question on The Ride, the Lightning podcast with Ryan McCaffrey, Van Holzhausen reassures supporters of the Cybertruck that the design is complete. In November 2019, Musk made the electric pickup prototype public during a Los Angeles promotional event. On November 24, 2019, the Tesla Cybertruck promises a maximum towing capacity of 14,000 pounds, an electric range of up to 500 miles, and a starting price of less than $40,000. 5 days after the Cybertruck's release, Musk stated that Tesla had already had at least 187,000 orders. Musk is concentrating on boosting the social media company's earnings following his $44.06 billion USD acquisition of Twitter. Investors in Tesla want the billionaire to concentrate on growing the EV company's sales. Musk announced in 2022 that he would leave his position as Twitter CEO as soon as he found a successor. Black's Future Fund ETF, which was launched in August 2021, includes 9.2% of Tesla as of January 17th. The maker had a terrible fourth quarter, according to Black, due to Twitter noise and low production output from its factory in China. Black would like to know and will announce a CEO for Twitter block status Future Fund ETF. Black bought more shares of Tesla last week at a price of 1.5 USD a share, but he did not disclose the number of shares. Black claimed that the brand of Tesla concentrate just on Twitter. Musk stopped tweeting conservative positions after taking Tesla private in October as the company's popularity declined. According to Dark Elon is a wise man who realized that it was time to cease tweeting more conservative opinions. He said that you don't want your brand to suffer from your usage of more right-leaning opinions, particularly if your customer base is more inclined towards Democrats who support climate change since it irritates them. I'll record in reverse. Tom Zhu, the top executive of Tesla in China, was elevated to oversee the company's U.S. production facility and its sales activities in Europe and North America. It will be interesting to watch how Zhu manages the U.S. business, given that he is highly respected and has developed a successful firm in China. Tesla failed to deliver in 2022. Musk and Target both drastically reduced the cost of their two flagship models, the Model SUV and the entry-level Model 3 car, which will account for 95 as company deliveries in 2022. There's a 620 price reduction, and two models qualify for the recently introduced $7,500 US federal tax credit. The cost, Black stated that in order to achieve volume growth, they had to make some cuts, even if doing so would have a short-term negative impact on profit margins. He also added that it was difficult to determine how much of the cuts were necessary. Cuts in the United States and China bear Zhu's fingerprints, according to Black, who also stated that Musk should concentrate on Tesla since the company's stock value dropped by 65 last year. Black claimed that Zhu's track record speaks for itself and that Tesla produced $9 billion USD in free cash flow data in 2022, demonstrating that the Twitter deal had no negative impact on the company's brand. Black, who has set a price target of $370 USD 12 months, also clarified whether Tesla will build gigafactories in Mexico in order to increase sales. If the company's goal is to sell 10 million vehicles annually by 2030, then it will need 10 gigafactories, each producing 1 million vehicles. If 5,000 mega packs or battery storage units from Tesla were sold for 50 cents each, the company could make an extra $2 billion USD a year. He also mentioned that the Megapacks manufacturing facilities in Lathrop, California, read online in the third quarter and are meant to be sold to utilities. Tesla's shares fell as much as 8 as investors seemed dissatisfied with Elon Musk's lack of information regarding the upcoming models, particularly his earlier declaration that the company's plan called for a car to cost $25,000. Part 3 exposition. As a result of investors' ambivalent response to Musk's remarks, the company saw roughly $50 billion US scraped off its market capitalization. The company's yearly unit volume has increased by more than 5 times and its market capitalization has increased by approximately 10 times. Additionally, at that time, Tesla had not yet started to report positive GAAP profits and was still ramping up at its Shanghai facility, which fundamentally altered the business's manufacturing economics. These remarks were made by Morgan Stanley critic Adam Jonas. Despite this, Jonas believes that expectations may be too high in that monetarily. The Cybertruck may be more of a sideshow to the current Tesla narrative because it lacks the Tesla logo anywhere on its outside. Comment below if you're keen to invest in Tesla stock or if you're waiting to see how things will change after the Cybertruck. Jonas calls the Cybertruck the greatest avant-garde vehicle and says it's an essential part of Tesla's futuristic brand image. However, he just does not acknowledge it has mass market pull. That will happen on to Tesla with the launch of the Cybertruck while the company rises more success, or is the hype just going to be a call for disaster? Till then, goodbye.